Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. You don't have a soul. You are a soul. You have a body. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. All suffering is caused by ignorance. People inflict pain on others in the selfish pursuit of their own happiness or satisfaction. Before you speak, let your words pass through 3 gates. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. There are only 2 mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. Quotes on life. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. In the end, only 3 things matters: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. Don't rush anything. When the time is right, it'll happen. To understand everything is to forgive everything. When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. Change is never painful. Only resistance to change is painful. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. The root of all suffering is attachment. The trouble is, you think you have time. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you start to filter it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Buddha quotes, "If you truly loved yourself, you could never hurt another. Be where you are, otherwise you will miss your life. All that we are is the result of what we have thought." 3 things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It solely relies on what you think. Suffering is not holding you, you are holding suffering. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. Virtue is persecuted more by the wicked than it is loved by the good. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. Quotes from Buddha. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. Give even if you only have a little. You only lose what you cling to. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. I will not look at another's bowl intent on finding a fault, a training to be observed. Whatever words we utter should be chosen with care, for people will hear them and be influenced by them for good or ill. What is evil? Killing is evil, lying is evil, slandering is evil, abuse is evil, gossip is evil, envy is evil, hatred is evil, to cling to false doctrine is evil. All these things are evil. And what is the root of evil? Desire is the root of evil, illusion is the root of evil. Real Buddha quotes. Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways. What is evil? Killing is evil, lying is evil, slandering is evil, abuse is evil, gossip is evil, envy is evil, hatred is evil, to cling to false doctrine is evil. All these things are evil. And what is the root of evil? Desire is the root of evil, illusion is the root of evil. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. It is founded on our thoughts and made up of our thoughts. If a man speak or act with an evil thought, suffering follows him as the wheel follows the hoof of the beast that draws the wagon. If a man speak or act with a good thought, happiness follows him like a shadow that never leaves him. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. Those who have failed to work toward the truth have missed the purpose of living. Long is the night to him who is awake, long is a mile to him who is tired, long is life to the foolish who do not know the true law. Ardently do today what must be done. Who knows?